Laura and welcome to another video on my channel. After another night here in Franz Josef, we will now continue our road trip through New Zealand. Today we will drive up the west coast to Punakaiki, and on this way we will do some stops. So let's start. After a 1.5-hour drive, we are now here. Welcome to Hokitika, a small town at the west coast of New Zealand. Here, directly at the MCee, we now found a funny looking chair with a direct view on the sea. This sign is very creative as it is made of wood here directly at the sea. After a little tour through Hokitika, we will now head further north on the west coast, and our next stop will be Shanty Town. We just arrived here in Shanty Town, which is an old gold miner village, just like Arrowtown, which you could see in my previous vlog, but this one is a bit different as we are in a heritage park. You can see the sign. So let's check this out. Shanty Town is a heritage park. So for example, we have here a hotel called the Golden Nugget Hotel and many other places. So this is how an old hotel used to look like. That's pretty cool actually. Wow, look what I just found. Just on this table here in the hotel. So the West Coast was famous for its hotels, and especially the front of the hotel was designed very imposant to convince the miners that this is a good place to spend their gold. And here we are walking along many other shops like the footwear, the Star, a carpenter, many shops here in this village. And of course we have everywhere these wooden barriers to attach your horse. So here we are in an old supermarket. We have, for example, irons, we have something to weigh your things, and of course there's some food here along. So that's awesome. We are now in front of the Shanty Town jail, and we can have a quick look inside. This is how the rooms used to look like. Oh, I just hit the door. And now we will go on because we will do a little tour with the train through this town here. We are in front now of a steam train with which we will do a tour. Now we are having a quick look at the sawmill here of Shanty Town. So I'm just washing some gold out here. We just finished the gold wash and it was an awesome experience. As you can see here in my hand, I have a little tiny box for the gold here to keep it in the water. It's not that much, but it's still a good souvenir. So now we have a private show for us here in this cinema, just for us. So let's start it. We just finished the movie and I hope you enjoyed the music I recorded at the beginning. But now we will look for a bit more here in Shanty Town. The town is even bigger. Here we have a fire station, then we have some garages and stables. Back there we have a hospital, then we also have many halls and a jeweler and a bank. So many buildings here on this place. It would take too long to present you all these buildings, but I will just show you the jeweler. And already in the front here we can see clocks and some gifts here. And now we will enter this place, and this is where the people used to bring their watches or other things to repair. So here we can see a few watches and other ornaments. And in old times, these watches and gifts were very expensive, so only rich people could afford them. So we are now at the railway station where we can see all the old trains. As you can see here, it's old train, and we got written here Shanty Town, and here also many other trains, which looks really impressive. Shanty Town was a nice experience, and we even got a little souvenir which we made by our own. But now we will drive to our actual destination, which is Punakaiki. Just before it gets dark, we arrived here after a short drive in Punakaiki, and we are now visiting the world famous Pancake Rocks. We are now walking on a little pathway to these rocks, and you can see many palms and flags around here, and we will shortly see how these rocks look like, and I am pretty excited. The formation of these rocks looks crazy. The bizarre-shaped buttress of pancakes we see today are the result of weathering over the past 100,000 years. During this time, the land has been uplifted to its present-day position above sea level, and the pancake rocks largely stripped of beach sands and gravels that once covered them. No one here because it is getting dark, but it's good for us so we can take our photos and videos without being interrupted. The nature really created incredible formations. If you have a good imagination, you can maybe recognize the different animals in this rock behind me. back from the Pancake Rocks and we are now in our hotel. As the day is over now, I will close up this video. I hope you enjoyed this tense road trip vlog from New Zealand, and if yes, please hit the thumbs up. Until next time.